Please rise. As a proud alumni of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, let us affirm our commitment to our alma mater and its future. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. As a proud alumnus of Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, I pledge to uphold the values and traditions of my alma mater. Support and mentor current students. Contribute to the growth and development of my professions. Foster a spirit of community and collaboration among fellow alumni. Represent my institution with integrity and pride in all my endeavors. I promise to stay connected with fellow alumni and the institution. Actively participate in alumni events and activities. Give back to my community and support future generations. Embodying the spirit of service instilled in me. By embracing this pledge, I commit to being an active and engaged member of the Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated alumni community. Dedicated to its continued success and the advancement of its mission. You may be seated. Thank you.